India is a country on the edge of an urban revolution. A country that is racing to build new living and working spaces, a sign of our changing times, are the evolution of our windows and doors. As one of India's pioneering window and door manufacturers, we at Deccan Structural Systems have been part of this exciting journey of India's growth for more than 3 decades.
In the early 80s, the construction industry in Bangalore had very few alternatives for doors and windows. In 1982, we pioneered the use of cold-rolled, steel-profiled windows and door frames, and thus was born the name WoodMate. Excellence being at the core of all that we do at Deccan, we have looked for quality and thereby strived to make products more appealing and user-friendly.
In 2008, a new material uPVC that offered sound insulation, thermal insulation and was rust-proof was offered as an alternative to steel doors and windows. The market needed a reliable vendor, and so in 2009 we were among the early adopters of uPVC under our brand name WoodMate. Today we can manufacture up to 35,000 square feet of uPVC windows at our facility in Yeshwanthpur using state-of-the-art machinery. These machineries run on solar power.
Our uPVC line features residential and commercial door and window options that are lead-free, durable, easy to maintain with anti-termite protection. Doors manufactured with this advanced technology improve energy efficiency by ensuring thermal insulation and adequate lighting. They're also economical on space, allowing architects the freedom to use modest built-up areas optimally.
We have a trained workforce that measures, cuts, welds, and assembles windows that are engineered to perfection. Our strict adherence to quality ensures that our customers are always satisfied by the windows we deliver to them. This truly lives up to the brand that is WoodMate.
Whether it is a luxury villa, a sprawling gated community, a conservatively designed commercial building, we at WoodMate are working relentlessly to bring our customers value for money through innovative design and technologies that will have an impact on the way we look into the fast-changing world out there.